Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an item to your wishlist on the Grailify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select an item either from the releases section or from the news section. Tap on the relevant one that you want to add to your wishlist and click on this heart icon at the top of the screen. Then go back to the previous page by the help of this arrow in the upper left corner and click on favorites down below, which is the second section. And tap on the my favorites button at the top, and here you can find the item. If you want to get rid of it, just tap on the picture and click on the heart icon at the top, and it will be removed from the my favorites section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.